Hello everyone, in this video we will solve a JEE Main previous year question based on the binomial theorem. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let us carefully observe the problem. In question it is given that this expression and coefficient of x is minus 56 and coefficient of x and x cube both are 0. Then find the value of a plus b plus c. Now write it clearly, this expression ax square bx plus c into 1 minus 2x power 26. So we find the coefficient of x, x square and x cube of this expression. Now we break this expression in binomial expansion. Ax square plus bx plus c as it is 1 plus 26c1 minus 2x power 1 plus 26c2 minus 2x power square 26c3 minus 2x power cube up to minus 2x power 26, because we need the power of x cube, so we expand up to of the coefficient of x cube. Now ax square plus bx plus c 1 minus 2 times 26c1x plus 4 26c2x square minus 8 times 26c3 x cube and so on minus 2x power 26. Now we find the coefficient of x first. Compare this to find the coefficient of x. Here the x and here x. So if we multiply c by this term, then we will get the coefficient of x, and the multiply b by 1, then we get the coefficient of x. Therefore the coefficient of x is equal to b plus c times 26 to minus 2. So it is equal to b minus 52c, and given that the coefficient of x is equal to minus 56. According to the question, b minus 52 c1 is equal to minus 56. We numbering this is 1. Now we find the coefficient of x square. Here x square here and x square this. So we multiply c by this term, then we will get the coefficient of x square, and we multiply a by this term 1, then we get the coefficient of x square, and also we multiply x term and this x term, then we get the coefficient of x square. So b by multiply by this term. Therefore the coefficient of x square is equal to a plus c 26 c2 into 4 plus b 26 c1 minus 2. Therefore we write is clearly a. Calculate this 26c2 is equal to, using this as a note, we write NCR, that is NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. Use this formula here and here, then we get this expression. Total expression is 1300c minus 52b. Now according to the question, a plus 1300 minus 52b is equal to 0. It is given that. So numbering it 2. Now we find the coefficient of x cube. How to find this? So c, when we multiply c by this x cube coefficient, then we will get the coefficient of x cube, and when we multiply b by x square term, then we get the coefficient of x cube, and when we multiply x square term a by x term, then we will get the coefficient of x cube. Therefore the coefficient of x cube is a 26c1 multiplied by minus 2b times 26c2 multiplied by 4 plus c 26c3 multiplied by minus 8. Now we calculate it, then we get 52a plus 1300b minus 20800C. Using same thing NCR formula, n factorial over r factorial, n minus r factorial, here and here also. Now according to the question, this term also 0, minus 52a plus 1300b minus 20800c is equal to 0. So numbering it, now we got three equations. We have three equation and three variable, so it is solvable and find the value of a, b, c. Now question is how to solve these three equations. Now see the process. First, from the equation 1 we write b is equal to in terms of c and put it here, then we get a is equal to in terms of c, then put the value here a and b, then we find the value of c. So from the equation from 1, b is equal to 52c minus 56, numbering it 4. Now substituting, putting in 2, we get a plus 1300c minus 52, put the value of b 52c minus 56 is equal to 0. Now calculate it very carefully. Everyone take a mistake here. So a plus 1300c minus multiplied this 2704c plus minus plus 2912 is equal to 0. Now arrange this. A is equal to 1404c minus 291. Now numbering it 5. Now we get the two value, b in terms of c, also a in terms of c. Now we put the value a and b here, and total expression will get c is in terms of c. Therefore substituting the value in 3 we get, so put the value, equation 3 is minus 52, so we put value of a first, minus 52, a value is 1404c minus 2912, then 1300, then put the value of b 52c minus 56 minus 20800, c is equal to 0. Imply that, then we divide by minus 52 whole terms, so we will get 1404c minus 2912, that is minus 25, 52 minus 56, that is plus 400c is equal to 0. This imply, so we arrange these c terms in left hand side and number in right hand side. So we will get 1404c minus 1300c plus 400c is equal to 2912 minus 1400. This imply 504c is equal to 1512. This imply c is equal to 3. So we get 3 is equal to 3. Therefore we put in equation 5. So we will get, we put c is equal to 3, then we will get a is equal to, then we will get the value of a. Therefore substituting in 5, have a is equal to 1404 into 3 minus 2912, then it will gives 1300. Now rest is b. See the equation 4, b is equal to minus 52c, put the value of c, then we'll get the value of b. B is equal to 52 times c is 3 minus 56. So multiply this, so we'll get 100. Therefore a is equal to 1300, b is equal to 100, and c is equal to 3. Therefore value of a plus b plus c is equal to 1300, 100 plus 3, that will be 140. So answer option 3 is the correct answer.